Okay, so today we are going to study about the staircase in Revit. So when we study how to place Revit, it's very simple, but if you have to modify the staircase, it will be difficult, okay? Uh, Understanding staircase will be in different levels. As a beginner, for those who has never used Revit, I will just teach you as a basic level, placing the default Revit staircase. Then the second step, you need to know each and every modifying tools in the staircase. So what you can do is you can customize your staircase. So first steps, understanding the staircase is to know where to find the staircase, how many types of staircase you can place, and where you can find, and what are the staircase, okay? So we are going to study about that first. So I'm going to open the Revit template. So you can use any template for this point of time. Probably because we study about the step-by-step Revit architectural modeling, we will use this architectural template, Revit version 2017. I think this is the best to kick off. So if you use the same template, you don't have any problem to follow me. So we will use it, and then if you don't have the template, you can ask me anytime. So I will start choosing this template. So the first step is choosing the template. Second step is just click OK. Because I'm using 2025 version, it will take some time to upgrade from Revit 2017 to 25. So basically, when you have to place a staircase, where you need to find and where you can find is only one place under architectural tab. So you have to go to architectural tab. So some people got some uh, conflict and some arguments that since staircase can be found only under architectural, so it's not related to structure. So this is some of the argument, okay? But no matter how, you have to do staircase tools to create a staircase. It will not be under structure, but no matter how, either you need to create the architectural staircase or structural staircase, you have to use these tools. So it's not like um, architectural item is staircase is just under architectural item. No, it's wrong. It's both architectural and structural items. So it depends on what type of staircase. You have to use the same tools under architecture. So it's under circulation and you have to click to the staircase. Okay. So I will show you in 3D also. So I create a 3D view. So you will have a now two views, level 1 and 3D view. So I will make it two view in one each side for one view. So I will go to view tab. There's a view tab here. So from the view tab, I will click this task view, or you can type as WT. So I click here. Okay, so now we have plan, we have 3D view. So I will place a staircase here, going to the architectural tab, going to the staircase, okay, going to the staircase. Then you have to understand more on the staircase. What are the things that you can do? So first thing first, you have these properties to choose default staircase type. This is the first steps. Second step is there are a few options that you can choose, either linear or like you can do winder or any other things. Okay. So if you want to go linear, you can use a straight. If you want to the circular, you can use this. Okay, there are two types. It's like spiral. So this is like L shape. So this is like U shape. So any kind of a staircase you can use these tools. But I will go back to, I will click cancel to this. I will go back to plan view. Maybe I switch this to, so my current view is level 1. Then go to view and I click this task view. So I can see plan view on the left, and I can see the 3D in the right place. Okay, on the right side. So first thing, I want to show something amazing. So I will put the grid line first. I don't need so many grid lines, so I just click one, and here vertical and horizontal. Maybe I change to A. Maybe another one I wanted to do is maybe I draw a wall from the level 1 to level 2. So I have a wall here. I have a wall here. So you can see this wall and grid line. Okay. So the reason why I show this is I will place the staircase, and you will know why I created the wall, or I created the grid line. Okay, I will step from the staircase. So I click staircase. Then we starting from the straight. Okay, so I currently what I click is here. So I click this icon, is straight. Then when you click the straight, there is an option bar. Okay, we call this as an option bar here. I show you. This is the option bar. So in the option bar, what you can see is either you run center, left, right, or support, or everything that can be choose. Okay. Then you can put offset. You can choose the width. So the width of the staircase is automatically put as a 1000, but you can change any value. So that is another thing. So just now I mentioned that there are many types of the staircase here. So in this template, they have commercial, they have private, they have residential, they have cast institute, they have a precast. So in default, they have 5 staircase. And from that 5 staircase, you can place anytime. Okay. So that's one thing you can do. And the other thing is if you have this you want customized staircase, that is another thing that you have to create. So I will go with the basic staircase for today. So I don't have to change any riser, thread, everything I don't do. So we go by maybe first thing is commercial, but I will show you this. If I choose rent as a center, you have this width 1000. So maybe I show here from the grid line center. So it will show the whole staircase is from the big line you choose. So I press escape 2. I will show you again. I click this point. And then if I move to the right, you can see all the staircase is my click line is a center. Okay. So I just press escape 2. So I go here and go to left, run left. So if I click this grid line, you can see here is the left. So the staircase will be coming up from the right. If you reverse to the other side, it will be in other way on the other side. So it's like kind of your big line is from the left side of the staircase run. So if you choose right, it will be the same thing. If exterior support means there is a staircase exterior part, so that one may make you confused. So I won't show detail first. Later, when you master the staircase, you will know what to do and where to find. Okay. So currently, what I want to show is run to the left. So the first step is okay. So if I want to pick from this wall, I just pick, so go to the right. Okay, one good thing in staircase is I just show you in the zoom modes. Okay. When I draw a line, so you will see this riser, 23 riser created, 0 remaining. What does it mean? Okay, when you create this staircase, the direction just ignore. What I wanted to share to you is here. We just now created this from level 1 to level 2. Okay, if you place level 1 to level 2, it depends on your floor height. Okay, for example, floor height is 4 meter. So if your riser is how much divided by riser, then you will get the total number. Okay, so you can calculate later. So based on this floor height, okay, so based on this floor height, you can this height you can have from here to here, total 6440, and the total number of riser is 23. So this is the basic discipline. Okay, so I will do again. Okay, if I won't draw to these ends, okay, and then maybe I draw only a few shorter staircase lengths. Okay, I show you again. So here you will see that here this I stop here. So from this distance of 2240 is only have 9 riser and then remaining 14. What does it mean? You have this total number of riser when you stop your point from here to here. Okay, you pick 2 points. So these 2 points make you have this riser, total number of riser. So you don't have to calculate. And how is calculate for 23 riser as a total is coming from here. If you click edit, you will see here is a total number of thread and minimum thread length, depth, and maximum riser height. So this depends on the riser height. So just now, okay, I will make sure our floor height. So I just go to elevation and see any one of floor height. So it's a 4 meter. So okay. So just now, the 23 steps is this one. So 4,000 divided by 180. So I go to calculator. So the height is 4,000. Okay, if you don't have a architectural background, you won't know this how to get. But anyway, it's okay. I just share you. So it's 180. So total will be 22.2. So 22.2 make round off to be 22.3. Then you might notice this words. Okay, so you can see here maximum. Maximum means it won't exceed 180. So it will be less than 180, but it's not more than 180. Or if you want, okay, just now you remember I use this and the total number is 23. Let's say I will change this to 150, which is basically we do 150 in most of the Singapore project. Some may be more than 150, but basically is 150 is quite standard. If you don't want to override the existing, you can do you can set it first. You go here, then we do this practice. So anything you want to modify or customize as a new, you have to duplicate first. Then you can use number 2 or any name you want. I just put 2 first. Then I will change this to 150. So if I change 150, so you will see how many total numbers of rent. Okay, so I click here and click here. So I move up to total number. So you can see here. So now change from 23 to 27, which is varies because of your riser number, okay? Your length of the riser. So that is the basic theory for the staircase. So you can draw in the 3D plan or you can draw in the 3D is up to you, but I will show you here first. So how I can do is I click one click and maybe I draw up to the end, which means I can get 27. So once I finish, I click OK. Then you can see in 3D also is the staircase is here together with the railing. Okay, because I use total 27 number of the railing of the staircase here. Of course, maybe I click one of the railing and then I use these tools to delete. Then I can see clearly about the riser. Okay, this is the so-called we have commercial. If you want to change other types, you just click here. You just change here to private. So it will change to the private staircase, but depends on your setting. The height, all these things will be changed. It depends on the setting of the private. Also the same thing, if you want to change to precast stair, it will change to precast stair. Okay, that is normal, but I don't recommend to immediately change to here because it's a bit sensitive in staircase. Okay, so no matter how you can choose anything, but now I wanted to highlight is not that point. So I just want to show various type of staircase you can create. Okay, so basic things. So I just create a staircase. So I use the same staircase type. And this time I'm not going to draw the whole bench of the staircase from the base to the top. So I will click one point here. Okay, I click here. Then this is my pick point. Then I will stop somewhere. Then I will pick another point and I draw one line. So see what will happen. Okay. So let's say I draw up to here. Then I stop. So there got one staircase coming up. But from here, I need to follow the alignment here. You can see here, right? So this you need to make sure this dotted line, okay? This dotted line is up here so that it will be in line. It's all the way straight, okay? So I click here and pick here, okay? So the second pick point is here. So the first time I draw is the number 1 to 8. So there go 8 riser. So all these 8 riser, my pick my cursor will pick point 1, point 2. Now I will pick here point 3. Point 3, then maybe I start here point 4. Okay, so this is how I wanted to create the staircase, point 4. So it will appear as a landing, you can see here. So since I have a take a break, okay, so what I wanted to highlight is here. So my first click is here, number 1. My second click is here, number 2. My third click is here, number 3. My fourth click is here, number 4. But staircase still have remaining, okay? So I have to click one more. Maybe I stop up to the end. So once you have this, or if you're not sure, you can see here, you already created 11 riser, okay? And now I click up to here and no more riser, so it's 0 remaining. If I don't draw up to end, okay, let's say I want to stop here. Okay, I show you again. If I stop up to here, riser created and how many remaining. So it depends on how many riser created, how many riser will be remain. So I click up to the maximum. So it will show like this. And if I want confirm is completed, I can click the finish. So I click here, so you can have this. So what kind maybe I select and delete, so you can see at least the staircase type. So correct or not, or there got some issue in this adjustment is later because there is a more advanced step. But I just want to highlight to you is now is how to place the staircase. Okay. So you see here is very convenient. So another one I want to try is L shape. So I click architectural tab, I go to staircase. Then this time I click up to from here to here. Then I click from maybe from here to here. So cannot. This one need the joint. Must be logical. Okay, I will show you what happened. Okay. Now I click one point here, second point here. If I click that point here, there is no logic to create a landing here. Okay, sorry. So it will not create a landing. Okay, I show you what happened. If I do that, this one cannot create a landing. If you don't trust, I will try. Okay, here. So it don't show as a landing. So what I have to do is I remove first. I go to run, I click here, stop here, then the next landing is supposed to start from here or anything lower than that. So maybe I draw this. So you see here is already automatically create the landing. So that's the reason why I wanted you follow me and try it. So it's a landing will appear. So I draw it this straight. So it will have a I shape. Okay. So now you can conveniently draw different types of the staircase and one more. Let's say if I want another way, so stay clicking here and click here, stop here, I go this way, maybe I go this way, also can. So it depends on your design. So there are many ways that you can do. And also, if you want to explore more advanced, we can do that. Okay, for now, I will stop here for placing the just a straight staircase. So I will go to this spiral. Okay, there got two spiral. One is a full spiral, another one is center and end spiral. So these two, you need to be very careful about the terms, and you have to understand what you want to do. Okay, I click this one for full staircase. So what you need to do is you just need to put either left, right, or center. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay, before I continue, I forgot to highlight you something, which is when I place the staircase, the width of the staircase is 1000. So you even can click here and you still can see. Let me check. Normally it can be seen. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Maybe this 2025 version don't have this anyway. I can click from here to here. Okay, so you can see here this staircase. Maybe I show to the detail here because there is beside got stranger. Okay, so this is not the clear width of the staircase. You can see these two line, which is okay. This is this. So this is including the two-sided stringer. So I cannot count from 1000 is cannot count from here. So I click here is 1000. So it's the width. So you may ask me, how can I edit? Okay. So if you edit staircase, there are a few options that you can change. Actually, the here got something like when you click this, there's an actual width that you can, sorry, here, you can change the actual rand width, okay? But that one is very dangerous, and actually you can draw this way. So very amazing, right? You can draw like that. So it's kind of adjusting your staircase. But for this point of time, I don't recommend. But what I can show you more is you click the staircase, you before you place, you can change here from 1000 to 2000. So if you are very sure your staircase width will be 2000 here. So you can compare these two width is 1000 and 2000, but and also you will understand what is happening. Okay. Okay, so now I go back to the spiral. So here for the spiral, if you're not sure what you need to do, what you want to do, you just follow this here. Okay, you have to choose click the enter spiral run center. So I have to click is a center point. So you can see this staircase. Okay, so the more you closer to the circle, it will be full circle. So okay, you can see here 300, 200, or all these radius can be seen. If I click in 200, your staircase will be by this way. So you can see here in 3D. So it depends on your floor height. You can have this spiral staircase. So it's quite looks okay and simple. So you can try it later. If you cannot try, you have to repeatedly try again. So next one is center, end, and spiral. So you have to click center point, you have to click the end point, and then you have to click the radius. So that one also can happen. You can create a spiral, but it's different method. Another one is like component as shape winder. So you just choose and you just pick somewhere, it will come out together. It's same thing. It's a U shape, also will come out as a U shape, but only it's limited. And then U shape is like that. The staircase run is like that. So it's very difficult to adjust. But anyway, you still can explore and try how you want to change all these things. But that is quite advanced level, and it's very tedious to know. You need time to explore more for this detailing. So don't do first. So you try to enjoy with all these things. Uh, that is all about placing the staircase using the default tool. Okay, next one is you can create sketch for the staircase. Okay. Honestly, previously in the older version, very older version, there is no such thing yet. These are very new. Not very new because I have been using Revit from 2008, 9, 10. Okay, to I mean the version of 2008, 2009, 2010. So until now, 2025, I have been going through a lot of changes in the staircase. So I know that previously these five tools are not included, and you only you are available for creating sketch. You can create a sketch of the staircase, but it's very difficult to understand by that time because you have to understand what is the boundary, you have to understand what is the riser. So it's a bit difficult. So something like I will show you something. It's like boundary. Okay. So you have to know this is a boundary. And then you have to create a run. So then you have to do how many run of this. And then after that, if you are wrong, then the staircase will not appear properly and it will show as an error. Okay, so that's very tedious. And last time got uh, a lot of issue doing that. Okay, so and sometimes they don't use this boundary and riser and just put the staircase part. So it's much easier. Just give a part line. So if you put the part here, then you finish it. Then okay, sorry, you have to put a part. Then you have to click every other things. So very much difficult. So I'm not going to escalate to this because it's too difficult to understand. You have to click one by one and you have to explore how to come out the line, how to come out the riser track. Okay, only will require if your customized staircase is too much difficult, then it may be required to understand. So just leave it first. Uh, that is all about the staircase, and maybe that is good enough. But before I stop for this lesson, I want to show you something interesting that you might if I show this, you might want to explore more. Okay, so I go and see here to the staircase. I click this staircase. Okay, then I add this staircase. So why I want to show this is sometimes you want to add this staircase to different shapes. Okay, so that is really interesting part, but you have to do some tricks. Okay, that's very tricky, but it's really nice. So before I use this staircase, I want to show you from very simple thing like okay, maybe I use this a U-shape one. Going to do create a new one using a linear. Okay, I will use this linear and then I draw one line here and I use another side as a U shape. So it would be this kind of a staircase. Okay, so I will show many different types. So I click here, edit, and when I select this railing, sorry, this landing, first thing first, you can extend the length of the landing. Previously, there is no such functions. You have to edit so many times and you have to change so many things. But now easier. But more comfortable ways to change the shape is here. You can convert it, okay? Convert it. Once you convert, you cannot change it back, but you can do more. Once you converted, okay, I show you again. I cancel first. This is very interesting, so please focus and listen to it carefully. Click here. Then I click the landing, okay? One step is I click and I have to select the landing. So this is a step one, okay? Step one. Then step two is I have to click convert. So this is a step two. So I click convert already. Once I convert, what happened next is this one become this edit sketch. That means after you converted, you can see this, you can edit. Okay. So once you edit, it will become like slab, normal floor slab. So you can edit these shapes. how you can edit. You can delete away, you can draw a curve. So maybe like this, step point, end point, and I put a curve here. Then I finish. So your landing will become a curve. Same thing. You want to go here. Okay, I have to finish first. This one I need to finish first. I go to this staircase. I go to edit staircase, and then I click this landing. I convert it. Then once converted, I can change the edit sketch. So after I edited, I can use this fillet. So maybe I put this curve shape. I put here the curve shape. Oh, sorry. Another one to here to here. So it's a curve shape. So the staircase will be like this. So it depends on how you want to explore the staircase. It's much easy and it's very interesting also. Okay, so you try it to this kind of a staircase in your own, and I believe that this really good lessons for you. Okay, I will stop here, taking this topic as a staircase, understanding your staircase in Revit. So that is a very basic, but is you still need to take time to explore it and try to explore more how to place it, how to adjust the riser and track. That's it. If you want to know further, you need to learn for intermediate level and you have to try so many customized level. That is a next level. Okay.